700 seats.
You wanted, Sharma?
Milord, in this matter,
Extension of time. 377 seats again as are vacant is two competing interests. One is that so many seats are going vacant. Another one is that the race against time. Is there any, what do we do? What do you suggest, both of you? Is there anything we can do in this? No need for a contest in this.
We are opposing this, Malad, for the reason that the seats do go vacant every year despite the best efforts that are made, Malad, by the ministry in consultation with NMC. This year also the
Session is over by December, but then two things he says. One is that Bombay High Court has extended, it seems.
Milord, again, both the matter we have filed SLP and it is diary number, but we are planning to list it immediately.
One SLP filed.
Bombay High Court matter, Milord, they have allowed institution to make admissions, Milord. Contrary to the decisions of this honorable court, institution can't directly make admissions, Milord. Totally illegal admissions, Milord.
Yeah, Niranjan, leave it at that.
Two submissions. My lord, in relation to, my lord, I am not conversant with the facts of the case, but my lord, my information is SLP filed yesterday after our argument, diary number in relation to one of the matters. Karnataka High Court, my lord, the judgment has worked itself out.
We issued notice because you relied on them.
Correct.
They are challenging them.
That's correct.
Therefore,
My lord,
can post along with those.
my lord, there's a slightly larger issue. But those, in fact, my lord, it's only a diary number in one of the matters. The others I don't know.
Both diary number I can
Diary
right now, Milord. We have
But
it.
just
It was filed yesterday.
But take your word. for
we
them.
lose time every single day. My lord, I'm just making one submission for your lordship's kind consideration. Now, what happens, my lord, is this is 377 seats with 246 seats in the state of Andhra Pradesh. 700 and odd seats. My lord, the learned solicitor is here. My lord, we have the advantage of, my lord, a senior officer appearing. My lord, the problem actually happens because they are still to perfect the system of counseling where students who opt for a particular seat don't abandon the seat. But what happens, my lord, because there is this mechanism where students can keep opting for better. Some in-demand courses also, my lord, when students opt for a particular seat, in the next round of counseling, they get a, my lord, better seat, and students should get that option.
What's the point?
What happens is, my lord, that seat that is opted for earlier also gets vacant. So, my lord, the reason for vacancy is not just, my lord, on the ground of, my lord, students not being willing to take.
What is the reason?
My lord, as I say, my lord, the counseling, my lord, in this year, what happened was exams were conducted beyond the usual time.
The reason, it's not as if one counseling occurs and they close the doors.
I have
There are 4, 5, 6 counselings.
one last
Then there is-
submission, my lord. My lord, the authorities themselves came and sought your lordship's permission for extending the time till 28th February. My lord, if it were to be extended till the end of March as a one-time exercise, my lord, these are national resources. My lord, your lordships have said they should not go waste. My lord, I'm only submitting, my lord, that all these seats, there'll be one more round of counseling. I'm not asking that my lord, the institutions must be permitted to make admissions. But I am saying, my lord, we went before the High Court on the 10th. High Court, my lord, under an erroneous impression that your lordships are engaged with that
That's-
reduction of
that's the reason.
percentile.
You have extended till end of February.
February,
So what will happen if you go to
1
the-
month.
After that, Milord, it was closed.
Already 23rd March now.
But at end of this month, my lord, end of this month,
Two judgments,
Milord, in
This
fact,
judgment, more than 300 seats were lying vacant. This honorable court has.
We know that.
my lord, the university,
Larger questions will crash.
And
Okay.
my lord, the universities and the state governments also support our case.
And majority of seats go vacant in the private colleges because of fees, Milord. Government seats has never.
No, my lord.
It's all private colleges,
Milord.
management seats which go waste.
All right,
No,
Mr.
no.
Niranjan, we've taken a call. We'll leave it at that. Dismissed. Leave it at that.
My lord, there are government seats, my lord, that are going, begging this time.
Those matters, we can do one thing.
Milord,
Where are those matters getting listed?
Milord, we'll get a number immediately. We'll share the details with my learned friend.
Along with that. What we are doing is this problem which is arising year after year. We have appointed somebody as amicus, and then we'll.
Some
see
another
what-
thing is appointed.
Whatever needs to be improved, what you have pointed out about the options.
That's not.
Again, other things.
Clarify this, Milord.
My lord, may I make one
Milord,
submission.
Earlier students,
May I make one submission? My lord, it's not my effort that those students, my lord, who have had the advantage of that, my lord, those seats were not filled. Even if the institutions, if my learned friend's complaint is Bombay High Court judgment permitted the institutions to fill up, I can understand.
Stretched very far, Mr.
No, my lord.
You don't know, perhaps, any number of cases we have direct. We have directed any number of cases.
I agree, my lord. I agree
Despite
that.
the Supreme Court's orders, they are all there. We called them. All of them have cooperated. We said that please extend it.
Yes.
Case after case. How long it will go on? I mean, how long it will go on? I mean, there
And
must be some
supposed to
stage.
complete by May 2025.
But I think, my lord,
Leave it.
my lord, lordship may kindly, my lord, this is a matter where, my lord, some students may benefit. Lordship kindly, my lord, excuses my lord, persistence. Lordship just grants me 2-3 minutes more. My lord, one submission is, my lord, while I am not against the Bombay students and the Karnataka students having the benefit
Doesn't
of those
matter.
orders, my
Tell
lord,
us.
we are not arguing that those orders need to go.
Tell us.
Yes, my lord. My lord, even if, my lord, the grievance they are making before your lordships is that the institutions made those admissions, those are unfilled vacant seats, my lord, where the authorities say in the counseling they have not been able to identify students. So if the students are eligible and they are able to get admission, my lord, really speaking, my lord, while I understand it's not in terms of the process, but there can't be, my lord, any real grievance that the state authorities may be able to make out. But I'm making one respectful submission.
Last.
My lord, for this year, my lord, what happened is 28th February has come to be breached, my lord, in some manner where two high courts have exercised their jurisdiction. My lord, they have directed students to be admitted. One was till 18th March, my lord, Bombay High Court was till yesterday, last date. Students have been admitted. My lord, let those students complete those courses. I'm only saying,
Connected
When
with
those
that.
matter
But
will
I'm-
be allowed, may take.
Why are you arguing that?
no, my lord, I'm not arguing that. I'm saying since 28th February, something, my lord, that has come to be breached by virtue of, my lord, the High Court exercising its
You
indulgence.
don't know. That's subject to what happens tomorrow before which court it will come. They will stay.
But I'm only,
That stayed.
yes, but I'm requesting your lordships, my lord, to consider extending the time
Okay,
to
leave
31st
it.
March as a final
It will
opportunity.
be a rather violent order. Leave it at that. Thank you. 51? 50? 51, right?
My lord, at least can I make one request? Would your lordships at least direct the union government to take a considered view in the matter?
You apply to them.
But if your lordships, my lord,
While
make
they
an
are not
observation.
inclined to interfere with the order passed by the petitioner may make, is permitted to make a representation which may be considered and disposed upon on merit.
Grateful, man.
Well, 54, I'm being led by Mr. Raju.